Hi, my name is Mario Paredes. I am a business development representative at Armadillo, your source for fiber optic solutions. We support with custom specialized optical fibers, cables, and assemblies for photon delivery applications such as illumination, laser delivery, sensing and detecting, and more. Due to the rapid progress in laser technology and medicine and material processing applications, there is a growing need for optical fibers with improved capabilities. If you have worked with high-power optical fibers for some time now, you may have run into certain limitations, such as numerical apertures, transmission, and solarization when you are working in the UV region. Addressing these limitations, the Ceram Optic Group have developed a PCVD technology, plasma chemical vapor deposition, a preformed cladding deposition consisting of low microwave plasma, in addition to the traditional POVD deposition process. Because of the high temperature requirement with the POVD process, WF fibers experience attenuation peaks at 330 and 640 nanometer wavelengths. With both PCVD and POVD technologies, we can now offer non-circular core optical fibers with variations, all custom to your specifications. Lastly, PCVD technology allows us to take silica-silica fibers one step further in terms of numerical aperture, from 0.22 to 0.28. To learn more about our optical fibers and preformed cladding deposition technology, please visit our website, armadillocia.com. Thank you.